Good evening, friends. Tonight we are making the fruity, creamy pink drink known as the Clover Club. The Clover Club can be traced all the way back to the late 1800s, originating from Philadelphia's Bellevue Stratford Hotel. Yes, gin, egg white, lemon juice, and you're gonna have to make some raspberry syrup. This is just a great gin sour to add to your recipe book. This pre-prohibition classic is one of Philadelphia's greatest contributions to cocktail history. And although it disappeared for almost all of the 20th century, it made an amazing return in 2006 after Gary Reagan wrote his book, The Joy of Mixology. This classic made an appearance and has just sparked interest, and cocktail bars have been just including this on their menu, and it's just been an amazing revisit. It got even more popular in 2008 when Julie Reiner opened up a cocktail bar in Brooklyn, New York, and named it the Clover Club, and featured this drink on her menu. Now, as for your raspberry syrup, this is super easy to make. I got my recipe off of Anders Ericsson's syrup video. He goes through a bunch of syrups in it, and pretty much all you need is 1 pint of raspberries. You're gonna muddle it up a bit, make a simple syrup with three quarters of a cup of sugar and water, and you're just gonna let that marinate and steep in a jar over a day, and then you're gonna fine strain it, and then you got your raspberry syrup. But that's enough talk, let's go make a Clover Club. Now the first thing we're gonna add is 1 ounce of egg white. Next we're gonna do 2 ounces of a nice gin. Whenever I'm exploring classics for the first time, I really enjoy using Hendrick's, but any London Dry would work perfect in this. Next we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and then 1/2 ounce of our raspberry syrup. Now before we add ice, we're gonna give this a nice dry shake for 10 seconds. This is gonna let the egg whites froth up and make like a nice silky texture and expand a bit. Now we're gonna add our ice and give this another shake. Next we can get some chilled glassware, and we're gonna give this a double strain so there's no ice shards in our drink. And then classic garnish is some fresh raspberries on a pick. Okay, let's give the Clover Club a try. First off, that is just a beautiful color. Taste-wise, it's sour, it's sweet, it's silky. You get a lot of that gin forward. It's like a gin sour, but with raspberry. It is a real treat and well worth making some raspberry syrup. Raspberry syrup has a lot of uses. You can make raspberry margaritas, raspberry daiquiris, you can even put that stuff on pancakes. Different variations of gin sours have actually started to become a favorite of mine. If you bite a raspberry, chew it up, and then drink some before you swallow, it just goes so well in your mouth too. Fresh raspberries is a real functional garnish for this drink too. It's very bright and fruity. For a gin sour, it's very fruity, and I love it. You're gonna have to make another one. But anyways, that is the Clover Club. If you want to see more, remember to like, subscribe, and until next time, cheers.